dreamers, it's Nova here, and I have lost a nail already. That's great. Today we are going to be doing kind of another like bake with me. I have been seeing this recipe floating around TikTok, and it's for like, I think it's like a 5-ingredient peanut butter chocolate chip cookie, and I want to try it out. So that's what we're going to do. I'm not going to play any audio or anything like that from it, but I will try and remember to leave the original link down below because there's been some variations on it, but it's all the same recipe. But basically it's just supposed to be a super simple chocolate chip cookie with peanut butter, which will be interesting because I like peanut butter and chocolate like on occasion. It's not something you eat all the time, obviously, because, you know, but peanut butter and chocolate sometimes gets to be a little too much for me. So yeah, try this out. So I cleaned up the kitchen a little bit, if you notice. Also, if you can see the noodles by the blender thing. I also have to cook dinner in a little bit. And I'm not wearing that much makeup because it's later in the day. I don't know how the lighting is. Turning on the lights help? No. So it's about, what time is it? It's 5 o'clock and I'm going to, actually it's almost 6 o'clock and I'm going to be cooking dinner pretty soon. But I just wanted to make these in the meantime. So figured why not? There we go. Oh, the recipe calls for 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup peanut butter. Now it looks like people are using smooth. We don't have smooth. My mom considers it to be wimpy. So we got chunky peanut butter, which I think will be good because it'll have little chunks of peanut in it. This is going to be really interesting to try and do because I don't know. I'm gonna try and do it in, I don't know, maybe half, no, just kind of scoop it in. Maybe I should use a spoon and then a spatula. So, yeah. So a cup of brown sugar, a cup of peanut butter. Okay, add that in. Oh my God. This will be interesting. Yeah, almost. Okay. Oh, I have a mixer off camera off, so, well, kind of off. So there we go. A cup of peanut butter, and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1 large egg. And then half a cup of chocolate chips, but I'm gonna add those after I mix everything up so I can just stir them in. So yeah, I'm gonna do a teaspoon of baking soda. And then a large egg. Found out that because I have Amazon Prime, I can watch all the older James Bond movies, which is actually amazing. So for free, which is actually amazing because I'm a huge James Bond fan, especially the older movies. I think they're awesome. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. So now we just gonna mix it up. All right. So, it smells really good. It smells like peanut butter. So, I have already been preheating the oven. It just let me know that it has been preheating. So, preheat it to, or you're supposed to bake them at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. You're supposed to divide them into 12. So, we'll see. Oh my god, it smells like peanut butter. So this is what it looks like. It smells really good. It's just like, it smells so good. Now we're gonna add our chocolate chips, and I'm going to grab a wooden spoon. Ginger. Okay, so here's 6 that I've just put on this cookie sheet, and now I'm going to, I don't know, figure out the other cookie sheet. Just put them on this cookie sheet. All right, so here are the other 6. So I'm going to pop these in the oven. As I said, it's been preheated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna pop these in for about 8 to 10 minutes, give or take, and we will see you when we get done. I'm gonna take them out, let them cool, and we'll be back probably after dinner, because it's about that time I have to cook dinner, to give them a try, see if they're good. So, we'll see when we're done. Okay, so it's later tonight. Unfortunately, I cooked dinner. Well, not unfortunately. Cooked dinner. Oh my god, I cooked dinner. I cleaned up a little bit. So I put the cookies in a container to keep them fresh. This is what they ended up looking like. They taste pretty good, actually. They're not bad. I ate 2 of them, so yeah, I would say a pretty successful recipe. I will try and leave the video where I got the recipe. I'll leave it linked below, and I'll also try and type out the recipe just so if I need to remember, because I'm forgetful, because I didn't leave the other recipe down below, unfortunately, but I'll try and do it for this one. So yeah, that was me trying out a TikTok recipe. Now, if you want to follow me on TikTok, because I'm also on TikTok, my @name is novarosebeauty. It's also listed down in the description box below. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If there's anything more you want to see, like another draw with me, another bake with me, let me know, and I would love to make it. Let me know what you want to see from me, because, you know, I have so much time on my hands. And yeah, I was thinking about doing either a makeup declutter or a makeup collection, but I'm also working on an eyeshadow palette series right now, which means I do a look with every eyeshadow palette I own. So the makeup declutter might happen after I go through my eyeshadow palettes, because I want to at least give each palette a test run, because some of my palettes I haven't tried yet, because I recently got them. But let me know what you guys want to see. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell icon to get post notifications. My social medias will be listed down in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Sorry for the bad lighting. Stay beautiful, bye!